With a range of great features to help you get creative in the kitchen, this electric cooker with ceramic hob from Zanussi is ideal for those who love to cook. Both ovens have an A rating for energy efficiency. The main oven has a large 77-litre capacity, whereas the second oven is smaller with a 39-litre capacity. There are 4 cooking zones on the hob, ranging from 2 different sizes, so it's great for having several pans on the go at once. The hob on this cooker has a ceramic finish, which makes it especially easy to keep clean. Because the surface is so smooth, any food splashes can be easily wiped away once the cooking zones have cooled down. So if you want a stylish hob which is effortless to keep clean, this ceramic hob is ideal. Thermaflow technology in the oven lets you perfectly cook different courses all at the same time. A fan at the back of the main oven keeps hot air moving and spreads heat quickly throughout the cavity, cutting down heat-up times. This constant circulation of heat cooks your food evenly and also makes sure there's no transfer of flavours from one dish to another. This means you can cook a variety of meals at the same time, and you'll even save on your utility bills too. If you're looking for an electric cooker with ceramic hob to help you get creative in the kitchen, this model from Zanussi is the perfect choice.